How to view saved Wi-Fi password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. Tap on the icon on the right side of any network. You can view and edit the network information from here. Then, tap on Password to view and reveal the saved password for that network. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. You will need to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to view your list of saved networks. You can now view all your known Wi-Fi networks over here. Following these steps, you can easily view saved Wi-Fi passwords on an iPhone.